Hi everybody, today I want to give you a few tips on how to construct the theory of the firm graphs, and we're going to start out with one firm in a perfectly competitive market. In order to understand these graphs, you have to understand, of course, the characteristics of the market, that they're producing the exact same product and there's many firms, etc. But again, my point here today is to really give you some tips on construction. So one firm in a PC market will be confronted by a perfectly elastic demand curve. Demand will always equal average revenue, and in one firm in perfectly elastic market, demand will also equal marginal revenue. So I always draw my demand curve first, then my average revenue curve, then marginal revenue curve. The next curve I'm going to construct is my marginal cost curve. Now, to show the profit situations, what I do and what I teach is that we're going to draw three dots on this particular marginal cost curve. One here, and finally one up here. Now, a profit maximizing firm will always produce where marginal cost equals marginal revenue. And in this particular picture, that's right here. So what we're going to do is go dotted line straight down and say that's how many units would be produced by this firm if they wanted to maximize profits, and this is the price at which they would sell their product. Now, to show the profit and loss situations, I'm going to realize that my ATC curve always intersects the MC curve at its minimum. So I'm going to start down here and draw an ATC curve that goes through this particular point and label it ATC. And now at that particular average total cost, I can see that at the QM, my cost is here. Now, if price is higher than cost, that means that this firm is making supernormal or abnormal profits. If I draw my second ATC through the second dot, hitting at its minimum, I'll label this one ATC1. Well, now we see that price equals cost, so that is normal profits. If I go up and now draw it through my third one, and we'll label this one ATC2, and I go up always from QM where it hits the ATC curve and over, well, now I can clearly see that cost is higher than price, and so that firm is making a loss. So a few little tips to help you construct these curves, and hopefully that will help as you continue to construct these in the weeks to come. Thank you.